All right, you guys, welcome back. So let's keep moving on with different examples of solving exponential equations. All right, so now I've got 602 e to the x equals 86. So I need to get the term with the exponent by itself. So similar to how I ended off the last video, I'm going to divide both sides by 602. So I get e to the x equals, okay, that's going to be either a messy fraction or a weird decimal. Okay, so that reduces down to 1/7. Okay, all right, now when you have an e, okay, remember e is the natural logarithm. So instead of taking the log of both sides, I'm going to do the ln of both sides. So I'm going to write ln of e to the x equals ln of 1/7. Okay, I don't have to write a base or anything. Okay, so then this cancels. I'm left with x equals, and I need to just do ln of 1/7. Now, let me just make sure. If you got a graphing calculator, okay, you've got your log button here, you've got ln here. You would just type ln and then 1 divided by 7. Okay, if you are on Desmos, ln of 1 divided by 7. Okay, I know my parentheses are all messed up. Okay, but you can see on my calculator and here, all right, negative 1.94. We got the same answer. Okay, all right, so if I switch over here, nearest hundredth, so negative 1.95 is my answer. Okay, and then you can see he used log, okay, log base e, okay, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that. I just use ln, okay. If I'm going to be using e, I use the natural logarithm. Okay, let's switch to another style of problem. Okay, all right, so we're just trying to make sure that you are able to do every style of problem that is presented to you. Okay, and this is just level 1. We'll come back and do harder levels on another day. All right, so 10x to the 4th equals 63. All right, there is nothing I can do to this problem to make it any better than what it is, okay? Because this x divided by 4, that is the exponent, and that exponent is currently a fraction. So I'm just going to jump right in and just take the log of both sides. So log base 10, 10 to the x to the 4th equals log base 10 of 63. Now remember, I don't have to write base 10 if I don't want to, but I'm being very clear because I want you to see it. So now this is what cancels. So I'm left with x over 4 equals log base 10 of 63. Okay, now this is just my personal preference, okay? If I want x by itself, I need to multiply both sides by 4, okay? I'm going to leave it as the log of base 10 of 63 because right now this is a decimal and I don't want to round while I'm working on the problem. I want to round at the last step, okay? So I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. So that means I get x equals, now watch how I'm going to write it. I'm going to write 4 times log base 10 of 63. And I'm just going to type that directly into my calculator. So if I come over here to Desmos, I'm going to type 4 times the log. Okay, I don't have to worry about base 10. I can just type 63. So x equals 7.19, and that 7 makes it 7.2. Okay, because it makes that 19 round up to 20. All right, so if I go back to Delta Math, Submit my answer. Yes. Okay, now you can see here now in Delta Math, he switched it, okay, over. I don't do that, okay? I want my problem to round at the very last step, okay? That's a personal preference. Okay, let's try another one. So 10 to the 5x equals 79. All right, so 10 to the 5x equals 79. All right, so same thing. I'm just going to jump right in. So log base 10 of 10 to the 5x equals log base 10 of 79. So the 10 cancels. So 5x equals log base 10 of 79. I was thinking ahead. Okay, of 79. Okay, and then to get x by itself, I need to divide by 5. So I have x equals, okay, now I'm going to figure out what that lovely decimal is, okay? Well, I don't have to type log 79 divided by log 10 because it's already in base 10. So log of 79 divided by 5. So 0.38. Okay? All right, so I think you've got enough examples, okay, that you should be able to do your homework. Actually, no, wait, look, there's one more, okay. I'll do this last one and I'm going to cut this video. All right, okay, that's not too bad. We can do that. All right, so 43e to the x over 5 equals 430. Okay, so this is just taking everything we've done, putting it in one problem. Okay, so I got to get e by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by 43. So e to the x over 5 equals 10. Okay, 430 divided by 43 is 10. All right, now I'm going to take ln of both sides because that's an e. So ln of e to the x over 5 equals ln of 10. So the e cancels. So x over 5 equals ln of 10. I'm going to leave that decimal the way it is. I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. So I get x equals 5 times ln of 10. All right, and I'm going to type that in. So 5 times ln of 10. So x equals 11.51. That's it. All right. Yes. There we go. Okay. All right. So that should get you through these sets of problems. If you've got any questions, let me know. Good luck, you guys.